Hi everybody, it's Justin Epstein, author of the top-selling book Super You and senior minister of the Unity Center of New York City. I want to tell you about an exciting retreat that we have in June. It's an opportunity to be with spiritually like-minded people and learn about the joy of your creativity. We're going to be having meditations and different ways of understanding how we are creative beings and how we can release that inner genius that is inside all of us through every area of our life. So you may think, I'm not creative, I don't write, I don't do poetry or music or anything. That doesn't matter. Everybody's creative. You'll see how you are creative and how you can bring that forth into every area of your life. We're going to have music with Carla and Keys, special guided meditations, yoga postures, and it's going to be in a beautiful natural environment in Connecticut. So I hope you can join us for this retreat in June. For more information, go to unitycenternyc.com, unitycenternyc.com, or call us at 212-582-1300. I look forward to being with you in this exciting retreat with a wonderful spiritual community. We look forward to seeing you then.